Hey guys, and welcome back to another Vapor Honing Technologies video. I'm John, and today we're talking about the auto finish and explaining what's the target audience for this automated wet blasting machine. Now, we'll be highlighting the AF1215 variant. This is the newest product line that we've unveiled. It's fully automated and can easily be integrated into your workflow. The auto finish is equipped with a large HMI touchscreen, fully PLC controlled. You'll have a vertical blast gun where you can easily adjust its position, and a turntable that's equipped with a puck system for quick changeouts. Now I know what you're thinking. Do I need to know programming to operate this machine? The answer is a resounding no. You don't have to know programming to use this machine. Simply enter in the vertical height limits, tell it how many steps or rotations you want it to make, or how long do you want it to blast for. This machine is easy to operate just like our standard parts washers, where you can place the part, set the constraints, and hit go. The auto finish is an automated system that's used to surface finish parts and hone tools to meet a certain spec. The machine is also available in wet blasting, sandblasting, and parts washing. Now, if you want a full depth walkthrough of the auto finish, Ryan did an excellent video explaining each factor of the auto finish. You can check out that video right here. Now, that begs the question, who is the target audience for the auto finish? The auto finish from Vapor Honing Technologies is primarily designed for industrial customers, not hobbyists, and here's why. The auto finish was created to deliver consistent spec-grade surface finishes, which is a requirement in industrial settings like aerospace, automotive, and manufacturing, where tolerances and repeatability matters. Automated process improves productivity, which is perfect for businesses looking to scale or maintain high part volumes. Hobbyists typically don't need automation for their small-scale projects, so it would be a bit of an overkill. The auto finish will be a perfect fit for machine shops finishing precision tools, automotive and aerospace part restoration or prep, OEMs needing consistent surface specs, and tool and die makers. Well, that was the auto finish. If you have any more questions about this machine, call us at 828-202-5563. You can also learn more about it on our website at www.vaporhoningtechnologies.com. Don't forget, we offer free application testing. Basically, send in your part, we'll blast it and validate it through our machines. Again, thank you for watching, and we'll see you next time.